travelling to a game here at Anfield or maybe following the Reds away from home. There's a good chance you'll be connecting to public Wi-Fi somewhere along the way. But did you know that the free Wi-Fi is the hacker's favourite pitch? So instead of chasing a ball, they're ready to steal your sensitive information.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. This is a Monday weekly look at the Bitcoin price, the Electroneum price, possibly the Pirate Chain price, and I'm going to tell you in this video how you can win one of these physical Electroneum coins. Now before I do so, I want to let you know this is not investment advice. Do your own due diligence and don't invest any more than you can afford to lose. All I'm doing in this video and all my other videos is sharing with you what I'm discovering as I travel along on the blockchain. Now this is a sponsored video. It comes to you courtesy of Elevate Group. I am involved with Elevate Group, and so is my good friend Amir Ness, who normally joins me on a Monday, except he's traveling today, so he's not available, and I wanted to get something out anyway. And for those of you that are interested in Electroneum and fancy getting a hold of one of these physical silver-plated Electroneum coins, I thought I'd give you that opportunity. All right, so what are we going to talk about? Well, we're going to talk about the Electroneum price and what's happening there. And this is a picture of Amir Ness from the Elevate Group website. So you can say hello to Amir. Hello, Amir. So you can be with us. And this is the Elevate Group website. Now, Elevate Group is a mining hosting company, not cloud mining. Is it cloud mining? No, it's not cloud mining. What happens is you buy the miners outright. They order them from the manufacturers. And right now, it's just not possible for individuals to order miners themselves because they are in so much demand. So they're only dealing with large orders. And we're able to buy them in bulk at wholesale rates. So then we buy those miners and arrange all the logistics and customs and delivery and all of that stuff. It gets delivered to the plant in Irkutsk, which I've actually visited and been to in November last year. And then the engineers check the miners, they start the miners, they monitor them 24/7, there's security on the site. And what happens is after the electricity costs are deducted every month, which is 5.5 cents per kilowatt hour, very low electricity costs in Irkutsk, Siberia. And also it's lowered by the fact that it's so cold, so you don't need to spend a lot of money on cooling the mines either. Then what happens is Elevate Group it's a very simple model. They take 20% of whatever's mined and the rest is yours, 80%. Now, 20%, 80% might seem a lot, except it's very simple. It's all transparent. There's nothing else to pay. And what happens is the more you mine, the more money Elevate Group makes. And Elevate Group were profitable in November and December last year in the depths of the bear market. And I'm going to link to the profit sheet, which you can have a look at for yourself and what the rate of returns are. I'll link to that in the description below. In fact, let me just show you that very quickly now. Here you go. Here is bit.ly/elevate mining profits. I'll have that linked in the description below, and you can go check it out for yourself and find out. This is the price of Bitcoin when the mining profits were given to the mining rig owners, and you can't edit this video, but what you can, this spreadsheet, but what you can do is copy it and play around with it and see what you come up with yourself. Okay, and if you have any questions, join the Telegram group, which you can do through this link, which is on the spreadsheet, and that'll take you to the website. Join the Telegram group. Any questions that you have, do ask, do your own due diligence. And one of the things you get with Elevate Group is you get access to your own miners through the Awesome Miner dashboard. So these are the serial numbers of my miners, and here I can see how they're performing right now. That this one, the average is 13.66 terahash per day. Over the last 24 hours, 81 degrees is the temperature of it. It can go up to I think 90 odd degrees C or something, but it's very, very rare, and the engineers, as I said earlier, are constantly monitoring it. Now let's have a look at the Bitcoin price. Okay, this is the Bitcoin price on a monthly chart. Why am I looking at a monthly chart? Well, one of the things is that if you want to get a better idea of the overall trend, then the longer term time frames are much better. Much better. And you can see here that ever since February of this year, Bitcoin's been going up. Going up. This is when it was in that $3,000 bowl, and it's moved up, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the last 7 months have been, the price has gone up. So we can say that we are in a clear bull trend. And then what we have here is a symmetrical triangle. Now, a symmetrical triangle indicates that the price is going to break out before it reaches the apex. Now, it could go up and it could go down. Generally, it tends to follow the prevailing trend. The trend is your friend, and what we have is this upward trend. So if I draw a little line here to get an idea of the breakout, this line here is the height of the triangle, and that gives an indication of the breakout when it does break out. So if it breaks out to the downside before it reaches the very tip of the triangle, then we're looking at 4,800 or below, which I think is very, very unlikely. Very, very unlikely, especially given the fundamental factors. You know, you look at what's going on in the world currently. Gold, silver, stocks, currencies, trade wars, currency wars, all that stuff, right? So now let's have a look. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay, let me move me out the way. Okay, so what we're looking at is close to $17,000 breakout. Now when breakout? When breakout? Well, I think the breakout is likely to be upwards because of the upward trend, and it's going to happen before we reach here, which is the 1st of September. So sometime this month of August, next couple of weeks or so, we can get a better idea if we go to the weekly chart, which is here. And those are the same triangles I showed earlier. And here, yep, actually here it's saying 23rd of September. So sometime early September, late August, I would say. Now the price could bounce up and down in this triangle as it consolidates and moves sideways before it moves out. And let me see. So we're looking about, yeah, end of August, beginning of September, we could have the price move out. And then this is from Shane Corcoran. Who is Shane Corcoran? Well, let me go back to the Elevate website. And if you scroll down on the website, you will see these testimonials by customers. And this is Shane's testimonial. He is a customer at Elevate Group. And he just talks about his experience of Elevate Group. Amir asked people if they wanted to do video testimonials, and these 3 people volunteered, so thank you very much for them. But Shane posted this chart on the Elevate Group, and he's saying in the short-term time frame, we're going to have it bouncing up and down in this range. Now, if you go to Twitter or Telegram and YouTube, you'll find loads and loads of differing opinions. You know, some saying, well, it's going to go this way, or it's this pattern, it's a bull flag. No, it's this pattern, it's a symmetrical triangle. No, it's trading upwards. No, it's going to go down. All of them are talking about probabilities. None of this is definite, right? You got to check it out for yourself. But I think over the long term, the Bitcoin price is going to go up, and if it does go down, my bottom target is, and I don't trade, is about 9,500. Bottom of these 2 candles, maybe a little bit lower as well, down to 9,300, but it may not go down that much as well. It could just stop at 11,000. We shall see. We shall see. So we're just talking about probabilities. None of this is definite. Do your own analysis and your own research and check it out for yourself, right? Now here is a Pirate Chain. Now why do I cover Pirate Chain? I like Pirate Chain. I'm an admin in the Telegram group. Not that I'm a very good admin. And what we have here, if I just move this down actually, perhaps to there, we have a wedge, a declining wedge, which is bullish in the long term, because at some point price will shoot back up. That's the thinking behind it. But until then, on the weekly candle, going down, going down, going down, and we have resistance and support about 4.9 cents as a floor. Hopefully it won't go down below that. And let's look at Electroneum. And last week Amir said that the Electroneum chart looked horrible. And from a technical point of view, it does look horrible. It's just gone down like he said it would. Just going to go down, just going to go down. And there's no indication from a technical point of view that I can see that it's likely to move up. So what it would take would be fundamental changes. Now, they announced last week, Electroneum announced last week, they've got a partnership with a Brazilian mobile phone company. So people will be able to use Electroneum to buy top up there. So we'll see how that works out. And this is, I think this is a long-term play. This is a long-term play. But in the meantime, Electroneum may still go down a little bit more. That's what the chart's indicating. It's underneath all the EMAs. Okay, and we have a sort of resistance. It's at all-time lows actually, at about 3.9 cents per coin. Oh no, it's Bitcoin, 3,900 Satoshis. All right, and why is that? Well, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and you can see how Bitcoin dominance has been going up since May last year. So this is the 5 straight months in a row, not May last year, April, May, June, July, August, and it's still going up. Now, what is the Bitcoin dominance? This is the amount of money that there is in Bitcoin relative to all the other altcoins. And currently, Bitcoin has 69% of all the money of the total coin market cap of all the cryptocurrencies. 69% is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been dominating since about February 2018. The dominance has been going up, going up, going up, going up. Okay, which is going to affect the altcoins as people are going to move out of the altcoins into Bitcoin. Now, this is the Electroneum silver coin. Now, it's not actually silver, so let me say that again. It has a shiny silver look. It's actually a zinc-based alloy, so it doesn't rust. And it has a shiny silver look. It's not silver plated either, right? Now, if you want to buy one, you can use my code, which will give you 10% off. These prices include delivery all over the world. There's nothing else to pay. If they have other coins on their website as well. If you want to buy one of the other coins, free delivery, except for the silver coin. Silver coins you have to pay for delivery on top of the charges. And also my 10% discount, my affiliate code, doesn't apply to the silver coins. It does apply to the other coins. Now, you can win one of these coins for free. I have 3 of them to give away, courtesy of Physical Crypto Coins. And here's what you got to do. You got to be a subscriber on this channel. Whether this is BitTube or YouTube, you've got to be a subscriber on this channel. You have to comment why you want an Electroneum coin, and you have to post a tweet or a Facebook post about this video. All right, so you've got to be a subscriber. You got to comment why you want an Electroneum coin, and you have to post a tweet or a Facebook post about this video. That's it. I think that's it. Okay. So, any questions, comments, put them in the description below. Please check if you have subscribed, click the notification bell. YouTube, my views are so down. YouTube are shadow banning me. They've changed the algorithm. I'm getting the sort of views I had when my channel was 1/3 the size. So just check that you're getting notifications if you subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and comments, questions in the description below. And between now and when I see you next, this is Crypto Rich and Crypto Amir signing out. All the best. Bye bye.